Okay, this is the International School for Colon Hydrotherapy, lunchtime. What sets our school apart is that we are the only school that I'm aware of with a beautiful kitchen where you are given cooking classes every day. We make breakfast together and of course this beautiful colorful buffet for lunch. And today we made zoodles. These are zucchini noodles. Now the thing to do with these is after you've turned them through your little device, it's also called a spiralizer, you want to make sure you try to drain off a good bit of the liquid. So we set this up about an hour ago on paper towels to drain off some of the liquid. Now these might be a little too long, a little hard to eat, so we can cut them maybe once or twice to make them a little more manageable in our mouths. And then we have this beautiful pesto sauce that I freeze in these ice cube trays. Now you can just toss this with a salad dressing or whatever you like, but I happen to like pesto. So we're gonna toss this with pesto, have it on our salad, and of course the greatest compliment, our beautiful Florida avocado. And we have a phenomenal, healthy, delicious lunch while you're here studying with us. You'll be well cared for and certainly well fed. Thanks for calling.